Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix shaders stuck at 0% on Warzone and Modern Warfare 3. So without further ado, let's get started. I will show you how you can do that on Steam and Battle.net as well. So on Steam, you just need to go to library, find the game, right click on it, go to properties, then install files and browse. Then on this folder, you just need to look for you need to look for retail or COD 23 shader cache, and then on shader cache, if there is some files here, you just need to delete all the files on shader cache folder and from your bin as well. And then you just need to relaunch the game and look if the problem persists or not. And on Battle.net also, I don't have a Call of Duty here, but it's pretty similar. You just need to press on the gear icon, show in file explorer, and then you just need to go on either on retail folder and then COD 23, or if there is no retail folder, then you just need to press on COD 23 here. And then shader cache and delete files from there as well, and from your recycle bin as well, and restart the game, and your game should be working. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.